Okay, so if I've got a big long lecture or similar and I want to translate it into a bunch of videos, how do I go about doing that? Well, before I start showing you buttons to push, let's talk about what we're trying to do here. So if I'm in my lecture trying to explain some theory and it's going to take me, oh, maybe half an hour to get through because, academics were like that. There's a lot to unpack, right? I could record a 30-minute video, but then that's tricky for me because if I start waffling halfway through it or suddenly realize I've made a mistake, then do I have to edit it or re-record the whole thing? And it's also hard on the students because as brilliantly organized as I think I'm being, attention spans for human beings are just not built to be that long. So their mind tends to wander and then they tend to lose track of my clever structure. And then they go, oh, it was a bit disorganized. I didn't know where I was. And when they go back to review, they go, oh, where was the what was this theory about? And they have to start fast forwarding through the video and trying to find the right bits to look at. So rather than making one long video, it helps to make a bunch of small videos. So typical structure for that might be something like this. I have the introduction where you say, oh yeah, this is what this theory is about, or here's some problem which led to some people developing a theory, and then you have a definition, this is what it says, and then you have an example 1, and then another video for example 2, and then another video for, it turns out when you try and apply this theory in the real world, it gets a bit more complicated, not as easy as I presented it here, and so here's some kind of a wrinkle. But, your details will vary, but your explanation probably might run something like this. And the videos won't all be the same length. As long as they're anywhere between sort of 90 seconds, a minute and a half to 10 minutes, it's golden. You can have a whole stream of them. You can even put titles and tell them how long the videos are right in the title so the students know what to expect. So this helps you because the videos are shorter and easier to produce, and it helps the students because all your clever organization is immediately apparent. It's in black and white right there up on the screen in the header, so they know exactly what they're supposed to get out of each video and exactly where to go back and find things later. So it's a really nice kind of structure.